Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study with flashcards effectively. First, let's talk about creating your cards. Make sure each flashcard focuses on just one concept. Write a clear question on one side and the answer on the other. Don't be afraid to use simple drawings or diagrams. They can really help your brain remember information more easily. Keep them concise for quick review. Next, let's dive into how to use them. The key is active recall. Try to answer the question on the card before you flip it over. This strengthens your memory. Also, use spaced repetition. Review cards you struggle with more frequently and those you know well less often. Many apps can help manage this, or you can use a simple three-pile system. To optimize your study sessions, aim for short, focused bursts, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes at a time. This helps maintain concentration. Try mixing up different subjects or topics during your flashcard review to keep your mind engaged and prevent boredom. Regularly testing yourself with these cards is crucial for reinforcing what you've learned and identifying any areas that still need work. For some advanced tips, try explaining the concept on each flashcard aloud as you review it. This verbalization can solidify your understanding. Creating your own flashcards, rather than just using pre-made ones, is also incredibly effective for deeper learning. Finally, remember to combine flashcards with other study methods, like reading textbooks or solving practice problems, for a truly comprehensive approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.